Hello class, today we're going to talk about mean, median, mode, and range. What is mean? Mean is found by adding all the numbers in the data line, then dividing the total sum by the amount of places in that data line. Example, this is your numbers on the data line, 2, 5, 9, 3, 5, 4, and 7. Like I said, you're going to find the mean by adding all the numbers. You're going to add all these numbers, that is equal to 35, and then you're going to divide it by the number of places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 35 divided by 7 equals to 5. Here is your mean. Okay, next is the median. What is the median? The median is the number in between. First, you have to reorder the data set from the smallest to largest. Then if the number of elements are odd, then the median is the element in the numbers of the data set. If the number of elements are even, then the median is the average of the 2 meter terms. For example, same numbers of the data set. But this time you have to put it in order so you can get the median. Okay, you have to reorder 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. The median is a number in between, so you count the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And is number 5. Here is your median. To get the median between the even numbers, you have to add the 4 and the 5 and divide it by 2. 4 plus 5 divided by 2 equals 4.5. And in this case, 4.5 is going to be your median because you have 2 even numbers in the middle. Okay, next is the mode. Remember, we're still using the same numbers from the beginning. The mode from a data is the set in the elements that occurs the more often. This means that they are repeated numbers. Like in this case, the repeated number is 5. Okay? So 5 is going to be your mode. In some cases, you may have 2 numbers that repeat, and that is called bimodal. Some cases, you may have 3 numbers, so it's trimodal. For example, in this one, for bimodal, if you have another 3, you have 2, 3, and 5. Or if you have 7, you already have 1, 2, 3 numbers that repeat. So it's going to be 3, 5, and 7. Okay, finally is the range. Remember, we're using the same numbers. The range for a data set is the difference between the largest value and the smallest value contained in the data set. Okay, we have to put it in order. The same numbers that I gave you from the beginning. We have to put it in order. Two, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. So since the range is the difference between the largest and the smallest number, we're going to write it as 9 minus 2 equals to 7. And 7 is your range. Okay, so we finished with the lesson for today, and I'm going to post this worksheet on our webpage so you can do it at home. You can watch this video as many times as you can so you can finish the worksheet. And I see you tomorrow at class, and we discuss if you have any other questions.